So you might have heard me say before, being an entrepreneur is different to being a leader, it's different to being a manager, it's different to being an engineer. Entrepreneurs think different, they act different. It is a set of skills that you develop over time. It really starts with one thing. It starts with having your why, and secondly, having the desire to reach those goals. One thing that I've learned is that success comes before work only in the dictionary. So it doesn't matter however you want to define that success, you've got to put the work in. I was fortunate enough at a young age to read 2 books that really helped shape my life, and I'd like to share those 2 with you. First one is Richard Branson's autobiography, and secondly, The Life and Times of Aristotle and Onassis. You're talking about 2 guys with a dream that made it to the top. And it didn't come easy. You'll read in these books, they were faced with the hardest of challenges where most people would have crumbled. These guys got through it. I refer to them all the time. Highly recommend anyone that's got that fire in their belly that really wants to get out there, start a business, or just push yourself to that extra limit. Highly recommend that you read these 2 books.